Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use bar chart in Excel. So let's start. This is our data. Uh, Here we can see different products and January, February and March 3 months respective revenue and the total of the monthly revenue. Okay. So first of all, if you want to include any chart, as we know, we have to select the data range. For now I am selecting only products and January's revenue. I am not selecting the total. And insert, I am going to recommended charts, all charts. Here I can see bar. Here I can see different uh, kind of bar charts. Okay, so if I select this clustered, and if you select on these bars, you will see their respective names and the previews. I am selecting clustered bar. Okay, so this is selected. Here I will do the I have discussed in detail about the chart modification in my previous video, that is in column chart. Okay, so I'm just showing few of them, but I am not giving the details. You can see the video of how you can modify the charts. Okay, so here uh, that the revenues are given, and here products are given. Okay, here I can change the title, that is okay of different. Okay, so this is how you can uh, create any bar chart. You can change chart styles, you can change the colors. Okay, you can add data table, or you if you unselect, the table will be gone. Error bars, you can include legend, you can include trend line. So this is how you can create any bar chart in Excel. Now if you want to use multiple months data, then how we can use them in bar chart? First of all, select the whole data range. We are not including total here. Insert, recommended charts, all charts, bar, and clustered bar. Okay, we can use this one. So here we can see the bar chart. Now we can edit all this. If we select yellow, that is toothpaste, and change the color, then we can change it from here. If we want to change this one, then from here we can change this. Okay, we can edit the chart title. We can change the axis titles. So this is how we can use bar chart for multiple months data. Now I will modify this chart. First of all, this chart title, we can give a title, revenue monthly revenue by products. Select the entire thing, make it bold, larger, italic. You can also change the color you like if you want. I'm selecting the whole thing, and here month is given. So month, Here revenue is given. Okay, I can do further modification. I can include data labels, data table, but data table is not looking good here. Not error bars. I don't need this. No, I don't need any more modification here. uh, can change to this. I can use this color. From here you can exclude any product if you want. Select and apply, but for now I don't need. If I exclude March and apply, you will see there will be no March, but I want March. Apply. So here, all this data. So this is how you can do include bar charts and do some modification. That's all for today. Thank you very much.